After a year and a half of EPA holdups that have forced automakers to delay or cancel diesel models, BMW will once again sell a compression ignition X3 in the coming months. A BMW executive confirmed the X3 Diesel, which will be built in Spartanburg, South Carolina, alongside the gasoline's Drive 30i and xDrive M40i, is on its way. That compact SUV will be BMW's fourth 2018 diesel model on sale following the X5's Drive 35D, 328D sedan, and 328D's Drive Sports Wagon. The previous generation X3's Drive 28D had been available until 2017, when its EPA certification wasn't approved in time for that model year. The EPA has stretched its typical certification process by months for new diesels, which have included on-road tests. First drive review. 2018 BMW X3, 2017 BMW diesels delayed due to additional EPA emissions testing. BMW X3 reviews, photos, pricing and more. We were also told not to rule out an X3M, which unlike the M40i will receive a full-bore motorsports treatment like that offered on the X5M and X6M. Given that spy photographers have captured such an X3 testing, and Mercedes-AMG sells the 503 HP GLC 63S, Americans can certainly find room for another overpowered German crossover.